Hi everyone, John Henry from Trafalgar here, and today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about the changes that are happening to the building code on May 1st, and every week we'll be putting a spotlight on some of our updated tested systems for passive fire protection. For those of you who aren't aware, on May 1st there are changes written into the 2019 version of the NCC that basically will put an end to the so-called grandfathering clause, which means that any passive fire penetration system used on site will need to be tested to the current version of AS 1530 Part 4, which is the 2014 version. So the first product we'll look at is our FyreFLEX acrylic sealant. FyreFLEX has been in the industry for over 40 years and has over 40 fire test reports. FyreFLEX has been tested to the new standard for metal pipes, cable bundles, as well as control joints in a whole range of wall and floor types, so it's the perfect and economical solution for passive fire protection. The next product we're going to look at is our FyrePLUG pillow. Now these have been tested to the new standard, as well as they've changed colour from a dark blue to a bright orange so they stand out better on a building site. Now these pillows have been used across the industry for many years, and the retesting shows they are a great solution for passive fire protection of cables, cable trays and metal pipes, and have even been retested in walls like speak panel and Hebel, as well as the more traditional concrete, plasterboard and masonry constructions. The next product we're going to look at is our Fireset mortar. Now Fireset is a lightweight fire-resistant concrete cement that's been around the industry for many years, and we've recently retested it with a whole new range of modern building services. So mortar is perfect for backfilling into holes in floors around cables, cable trays, and we've even done some testing with conduits with retrofit fire collars cast into the mortar. Mortar is also good for metal pipes, so check out the technical manuals to see all the updated systems on our website.